Hi everyone, welcome back to our another Black Friday sale video. And in this video, we are gonna discuss about Adobe Black Friday sale. So in this video, I will tell you all the deals and discount available on Adobe during Black Friday sale. So here we are on their official Black Friday sale page. So this is the page and see what they are saying. Black Friday sale is on, save big on Creative Cloud for individual, student and business. So yeah, discount available for the individual, student and businesses. And this discount available till 29 November. So let's see what are some discounts. Simply click on see offers. Okay, after that you will land on this web page. Here you can see you are getting discount on Creative Cloud all apps. Okay, so usually it costs you around $68.68 per month. So right now you are getting 60% discount, so which is a good discount. Okay, and here you can see save 50% and get 20 plus apps including Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, Acrobat Pro, etc. So you can check it out. Okay, let's see how about other discount. And okay, so there is no discount on the individual tool. So you have to choose their Creative Cloud all apps if you want discount during the Black Friday. Okay, now let's discuss about their business plan. So here we are on their business page. You will get up to 50% discount on business plans. Okay, and here we have Creative Cloud all apps. So here we also include all the apps, and this discount is only available till 29 November, as I have already said that. And here we have student discount. So here we are on the student page, and here you can see you can save up to 70% plus 20% extra. Okay, so aside from the 70%, you will get 20% extra during the Black Friday sale. Yeah, that's a good deal for the student. So if you are a student, I will recommend you to definitely try out this one. So this is for the video. So if you want to try Creative Clouds, you should definitely buy it right now because you are getting a good discount. I mean 50% discount is enough discount. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit a like button. If you are looking for some more discount during Black Friday, you can check out our page. Thank you so much.